Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Pro Build. Today we'll be having this 3D model in discussion. So in PTC Creo Parametric 7.0. So before going, we shall go for 2D diagram study. So here I'm going to start up with this part. I mean this section alone. So first I need to collect, this is R34 outer circle and it is connected from center to at some distance of 80, and it is extruded up to 40, and again you need to go up with second section, and this is one cylinder of dia 60 and it is extruded all the way through up to 70 height, and you can find this keyhole here is having the thickness of 12 and of some radius. So also we can find some C-bore here and its dimension and data has been given, and its reference offset distance is also given. So I need to draw this section. This is R34, from center to apart is 80. So since this is top plane, I need to select the top view. So go for the top plane, extrude. Here I'm going to draw 34 into 2 times, so it becomes diameter, and from here it is 80. Switch off the plane. Now I'm going to draw a line. Delete the segment. Now I'm going to extrude it for 40. Yes. And my second section is 60 and it is at the Bennett, so it is extruded up to 70. I mean 70 minus 40 is going to be this remaining extrusion, so it is having taper of 2 into 45. So I'm going to select any surface, I mean either top or bottom. I'm selecting this surface and take this circle as reference and draw a circle, radius 30, there is 60 actually. Okay, it is extruded up to 30 because overall is 70 and we extruded this part to 40, so remaining is 30. Go for chamfer. This is actually 2 into 45 degree, so I'm selecting here angle into 45, so this is 2, and select the edge. Okay, ready. Now you can find this round as R4, so I'm making it in first attempt. So go for this edge, change to 4. Okay, now I need to take a slot. It's a symmetrical slot and it is 8 mm actually. It's taking all the way down, so select the surface, go for extrusion, change this to hidden line and take this reference, this circle as my reference. Okay, now I'm going to draw a corner rectangle So this is going to be 4, and overall is going to be 8. Since this is going to remove the material, we need not want to concentrate on this length area. Go for up to selection. So select this bottom surface and click on this remove material. Okay. So change this here. Now I need to make a hole. So my hole size is actually 50 in dia. So select the surface, go for extrusion and draw a circle of diameter 50. Select up to the surface, remove material. Okay. Now I'm going to put here one slot. So select this surface, go for extrude, change this view to hidden line and put this reference. Now collect the data. Here you can find this is R15, and from here you can find this is 91 offsetted, and inside hole is 14 dia and it is extruded to 12. So R15 91. Draw a circle. And connect this line. Okay, now change this to 0 so that it aligns with the center line. Now go for a line from quadrant up to this end and from here as well. So now delete this segment, then connect this both vertical line. Now draw a circle of dia 14. It's not aligned actually. So is extruded up to 12. So go for 12, opposite direction, and okay. Now I'm going to make a C board. So this is actually counter board. You can find the major diameter is 20 and minor is 12 in dia, and the C board depth is 10 and it is going all the way down here, I mean all the way side here. So just switch on the plane, change this view to shading with edges. Now go for an hole, simple standard counter board. So touch this point. So now I need to go up with references. So I'm going to place one clip here and another clip at this plane. So one clip to this center plane and one clip to this top plane. Now from so from here this is 20 and from here this is 60. So in shape I need to change here as 20, 12, 10 and all the way down. This is 20, 12, 10, and up to the surface. Okay, and my part is ready. So this is the part that is given in diagram. Now I need to change the color, so go for view, appearances, and go for this, change this part to yellow color. Of the plane, axis, etc. So my part is ready. Kindly subscribe my channel for future videos. I'll be discussing all the complex designs in PTC Creo, SolidWorks and AutoCAD 2020, and all the latest versions of the software will be used for your easy references. Yes, thank you guys, and thank you for watching my video.